It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. My cat's guarding it. Oh, run away, little kitty. Oh, fuck. Oh, finally the smoke is gone. Oh, no, it's down there. Damn California fires. Okay, it's here, it's here, it's here. Oh, what's it from? What's it from? What's it from? What's it from? Oh. Oh, is that what it is? No, I don't know. Fuck it. I want to show my address. Oh, yeah. And here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Alright, let's put it right there. We got... Oh yeah, there it is. The stunt cage, baby, on the Gixxer. Oh yeah. Where's the next piece? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, geez. Oh yeah, 2020. Oh, GSXR. 750, I think 600 to it, probably the same shit. Here's the little goodie box with the bolts. Here's the crossbar. Ooh, oops. And there's all the nuts and bolts and stuff. Bam, you know. Plastic slider things. Little late, but better late than never. Oh yeah, plastic slider things. Bolts. Ooh, big fucking things. Oh, and then with the nuts and bolts. I'll have an install video next. I'll post an install video next. This is the, for, I don't know, probably works for all the GSXRs, but 2020 GSX or 2019 GSXR 750 stunt cage. Install video coming next. Yeah, boy.